Look who's in the park. It's cold this morning, you guys. 35 degrees. I have to trade in my running shoes for my hiking boots now because my toesies are getting cold. But look at that beautiful bird right there. Good morning, guys. Out on a walk. Didn't feel like riding my bike today. Ron's on the trail riding his bike. Still waiting for our winter bike riding equipment to get here. So in the meantime, he has my red gloves and I have no gloves. It's 35 degrees. So it's a beautiful, crisp day. The sun is shining beautifully. Do you see that? So beautiful. But it's cold. It's cold, y'all. So my Amazon package should get here today with Ron's gloves, so I can at least get my gloves back. I opted to give him the gloves because at least with me walking, I can put my hands in my pockets. But riding his bike, he doesn't have that option. He's just gotten his hands whipped and attacked by the wind while he's riding. So I gave him my gloves because I love that man and I don't want him to have cold hands. But I can tell you that the cold is affecting my speech. Like my chin feels frozen. It's pretty freaking cold. It is so good for the lungs though. Like I like this cold, crisp air. It's just good for breathing. And I actually walk faster when it's cold. Not just because you're cold, but just because it just feels good. Oh, my mom's calling me. Gotta go. So many birds out. There's a crane in the tree right there. I was trying to catch it before he stopped flying, but I can't find him now. Oh, it was so pretty too. Oh well, maybe next time. He's around there somewhere. He's in there. Can you see him?